I'm Guillermo Rauch. I'm the original author and designer of NEXT.JS, and I'm the founder and CEO of Vercel. We help companies take their front-end experiences to the next level by providing them frameworks, tooling, and infrastructure. As the world transitions toward a composable architecture, where the different service providers become the headless ecosystem and become APIs, Vercel brings the head to that headless ecosystem. We allow the customers to create the best possible customer experience. So first of all, customers that already work with Sitecore can leverage decades of experience in being a world-class CMS, a personalization engine, and many other features like their customer data platform and infrastructure. So when you bring in Vercel, you can make your front-end experience more dynamic. You can make your .com decoupled from that architecture, but still benefit from all the benefits that Sitecore has. So it helps customers become more agile because now they can iterate on the front end at the speed of thought. They can turn their front end almost into a Figma-like experience. What's happening in the design world is now happening in the front end world. They can be multi-brand. They can personalize down to each user. They can create real-time search experiences. And this is all by investing in this new front-end layer of the application architecture. One of the technologies that we pioneered is that we can take your content from Sitecore, and then that gets pushed onto our global front-end infrastructure. It gets transformed into React components and therefore also into HTML. And we're very efficient in that process because instead of having the user directly always hit your backend and accumulate a lot of load and database hits and so on, we're kind of inverting the data flow. Now, Next.js can suck data out of any system and then listen and subscribe to its changes. So compute only happens whenever it's necessary. So this adds a tremendous layer of security for the customer because now when their visits are coming in, there's always content ready there right next to them. It's both security and performance they're getting out of one offering. Personalizing with a monolithic approach has always come with a lot of caveats. For example, the lingua franca of the front end is JavaScript and TypeScript, and developers are increasingly standardizing among React components as the building blocks of their front end. So typically that's been incompatible with a monolithic approach. Monoliths have also had problems scaling up. So for example, come Black Friday, when all that traffic hits that one monolithic experience, customers have had to add caches and CDNs that make their experience really static. So if you want to personalize, but you want to be online and you don't want to just cache all your content, Vercel provides that ability to be dynamic, agile, and fast in one offering. The web needs to become a lot faster to really fulfill its promise. My hot take is that today there's very few internet properties that are really getting this right. So Amazon.com has built all of their custom internal frameworks and they invented the cloud, ultimately to serve a really great online grocery shopping experience or book shopping experience. So our role in this world is to democratize all those best practices. We want to give our customers the right frameworks that could have otherwise been proprietary. Next.js is completely open source. We want to give you this global infrastructure. We want to give you the ability to stream content and be dynamic from the edge. And these are things that these companies have accumulated the know-how to do over decades. But the world doesn't have decades today. A lot of these companies are transforming digitally so fast. COVID showed us that it's literally a rush towards this digital transformation. So Vercel can, I think, help act as a catalyst on making the web uniformly better for every participant, not just Meta, Google, and Amazon.com.